Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to this video. My name is João Zorro. Today I'm shooting another video with regards to some news and good news about Google Shopping. So it seems like that Google will let businesses list their products on Google Shopping for free. Okay, usually you need to pay, so it's like Google Ads or Google AdWords. Okay, you need to pay to list your products, but Google will let you place your products with Google Shopping for free. Okay, and this will go into effect for the US starting April the 27th. Okay, and this is really great news. Okay, so if you do e-commerce, if you have a Shopify store, or if you have a WooCommerce or whatever, my advice is just learn how to do this and get advantage of this, because this is huge. Okay, for this you will need a Google Merchant account. Okay, so the Google Merchant account it's like the interface between your site and your product feed and Google Ads. Okay, so you will need a Google Merchant account and then a Google Ads account. Okay, and why this is awesome? Because look, I'm not doing any Google Shopping now, because I'm not doing traditional e-commerce, because I sold my store last year. But when I had the store, I did Google Shopping ads. Okay, and of all the traffic sources, this was the one with the highest return on investment. Okay, so you see here that conversion value by cost, it's 3.11. so this is average. So this is ROI. So it's awesome. So the only limitation here was the number of impressions, and in reality it's related also with the number of products that I have on my catalog. Okay, so take advantage of this. So if you have an e-com site, you need to do Google Shopping, because you will be able to list your products for free. So it's like having free sales, so you have no costs with advertising with Google Shopping. So this is really awesome. So make sure to read this article, so I can leave you a link in the description. And then you need to create a Google Merchant account, and you need to follow the instructions. So they will give you all the instructions on how to add your products to Google Merchant account, and then how to connect it with your Google Ads account. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you are notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.